Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to find compound interest using Python.
Guys, open a terminal and type IPython and hit enter. First we'll create a function and name it as compound interest. Open the bracket. Inside the brackets we will type the required variables like principal, comma, rate, comma, time, colon, and hit enter. Now we will calculate the compound interest. Type CI is equal to principal multiplied by power one plus rate divided by 100, comma 100, comma time. Now hit enter. Now we will print the compound interest. Type print, open the bracket, inside the bracket type open quotes center, comma, compound interest, colon, and CI. Guys, now add another bracket after power and end it here, and now hit enter. Now let's test it out. Type compound underscore interest, open the bracket. We will consider the principal as 10,000, rate as 10.25, comma, time as 5. Now let's hit enter and test it out. Guys, here's the compound interest.
Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.